In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Enable Editing error in Microsoft Excel. Hello and welcome. Today we will go through a simple and effective way to resolve the issue that prevents you from editing your Excel spreadsheets. If you've ever opened a file and noticed that the Enable Editing button is present but clicking it does nothing, this tutorial will help you get back to work quickly and safely. To start, open the Excel file where you are experiencing the problem. You'll notice that the file opens in a protected mode and all editing options are disabled. The Enable Editing button is visible at the top, but the spreadsheet itself cannot be modified. This happens because of Excel's security features, which are designed to protect your computer from potentially unsafe files. To fix this, go to the File tab located in the upper left corner of Excel and click it. Once you are in the File menu, look for Options near the bottom and click on it. This will open the Excel Options window where you can customize a variety of settings to improve your Excel experience. From here, find and click on Trust Center on the left-hand side. The Trust Center manages Excel's security and privacy settings, which is where the issue originates. Next, click on Trust Center Settings and a new window will appear. Within this window, navigate to the section labeled Protected View. Here, you will see several checkboxes that control whether Excel opens certain files in protected mode. To resolve the Enable Editing error, simply uncheck all the boxes in this section. These settings often include options for files originating from the internet, from unsafe locations, or from Outlook attachments. Unchecking them will allow Excel to open files in an editable mode without blocking your actions. After making these changes, click OK to save your adjustments and then close the Excel Options window. It's a good practice to close the file you are working on and then reopen it. When you do, you will notice that the Enable Editing button is no longer an issue and you can freely edit your spreadsheet as needed. By following these steps, you can regain control over your Excel files and continue your work without interruptions. These adjustments are safe for trusted files and will ensure that your editing experience is smooth and hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.